Imagine yourself in this 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 2015 interim processing code, seats second row bucket power release, sunroof power tilt sliding with express open and close and wind deflector, rear-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, automatic headlights and remote trunk release. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.